So we're looking here to the Bitcoin price. Before we start, I will now present you parts 1 to 5. Why I present this to you? Because the market is very difficult and you can lose a lot of money. Yeah, that's the reason why I'm offering here part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, and part 5. You can see on the part 1, the value of 30,000 is mentioned. Here 50,000, 14,500, 91,000, and 100,000 and 1 million. Yeah, that not means okay. Part 1 is the next. No, these parts are mixed. Yeah, so if you maybe take part 5, then that is relatively easy. But if you take part 2 is not part 2. This is represent part 6 or part 7. So in the chart. So for the smart people who think, okay, the part 1 is the next. No. That's the reason why I'm offering this. If you not want or lose money, then the parts are the right information for you. Why, again, why am I offering this? Because the market is difficult and you can lose a lot of money. Yeah. And let's see, that's the reason why I'm offering this. Let's look here to the Bitcoin chart, and the reason why I'm so at the moment, let's look, we have all in the screen. Let's adjust a little bit more to see here a little bit more. So now I think a little bit small, so we can now start. So let's look more inside. I think the people who follow the Bitcoin chart or the Bitcoin price, um, they make their life very easy. Yeah, they say, okay, if I invest, I expect this price. Yeah, but if you invest, you have to follow this chart every day, every hour, every 30 minutes. Yeah, and you cannot invest and wait the price will go to the upside or downside. You can do that if you say, I'm not caring about the next 6 months and I'm not in margin and I invest and then the price will go to the upside and I'm safe. Yeah, you can make this in that way. But I think the general of the people who look to the Bitcoin chart, they are all invested in altcoins. Yeah, few are trading, I think, with Bitcoin, and we saw in the last, I would say, 1 to 2 weeks, a huge manipulation of the altcoins. That's the point what many people not understand, and they think they know everything, but they know regarding the manipulation nothing. Why I'm saying this? The reason is we saw here exactly in 26,300 levels here. Yeah. The situation, yeah, in these levels here, 26,300 to 26,700. We saw that the price breaks down, yeah, but this down break is not so much, was not so much here. Exactly this place and this place here. This was not so much here. You can see this was only 500 points or 400 points. But what then happens with the altcoins? The altcoins goes 40, 50% to the downside. And that's the point what many people not understand. This is exactly the manipulation. Here, the Bitcoin price is not so much horrible if the price from Bitcoin goes 26,000 to, let's say, 700 or 800 points to the downside. You have this opposite side here, the price is going 1,000 points to the upside, or here, yeah. And that's the point what many of the viewer or subscriber or people who follow the Bitcoin chart and the Bitcoin price not understand. If I are talking about the manipulation, the argument is okay. If you predict wrong, then you say this is manipulation. No, here the price is going here to the downside, yeah, and the manipulation take place in the altcoins. So we see here that the price is going up, yeah. Many of you would now argument, okay, we have a wonderful situation and the price has now power to the upside and we will go like this to the upside, yeah. I think here's also the place to manipulation, yeah. If you look here inside to these levels, then of course it is possible that the wells go here to the sideways, yeah, and make a retest of this higher level. So now 2 days ago I said okay to some uh, subscribers, okay, the last retest would be in levels of 25,700 to levels of 26,400, 300 levels. Yeah. Now we are exactly here. So, and now from this point, you can stretch this formation in levels what you want. You can make here this movement. We can make a retest to these levels. Then we have here left shoulder, head, and right shoulder formation. Yeah. So if this is not fulfilled and the price drops to the downside, then some intelligent people say, okay, I was wrong. The price is dropped to the downside. Yeah. So everybody has a little bit knowledge. You can decide what will happen, but in my eyes, I have a clear roadmap, and exactly on this place, we see here a huge manipulation. Yeah, a little bit, not a little bit, more disappointed what we see here in the Bitcoin chart, and I say, or I can say for my side that what I see here is a huge, huge, huge manipulation. So we wait that the price will pump to the higher levels. Yeah, we are here in a good situation, but that what we will see here is, in my eyes, one of the biggest manipulation. Yeah, since 1930. And that's the reason why I recommended this part 1 to part 5, because there you have here a roadmap in which direction we can go. Let's see to the uptrend. So now you can see we're sitting here on this uptrend. Yeah. Um, 5 years ago, I would say, okay, this uptrend holds and we will go here to the upside. Yeah. It's a little bit true. You can see it's going a little bit to the upside. But if you look to the construct here, then even this uptrend is manipulated. That means um, this uptrend is in true no uptrend. We already broke here this uptrend. Yeah. It's a little bit difficult to understand because everybody has a different knowledge to understand this. But what we can say here is we have two levels what are very important for Bitcoin here. Yeah. One is this. This is the first retest here, and this is the second retest. So if the price is going to 27,000 levels, yeah, then we have a second retest. Yeah. But let me look here more inside. So we are here in a level in which I can say we are here in our boat situation. If you're asking me regarding these patterns, for me, this pattern gives me a really good sign what will happen here in the next. I would say let's look end of July, June. This is a very, it will be a very interesting patterns here. Yeah, look. So I will publish this part 1, part 2, part 3, 4, 5 after the action what we will see here, and then you can see that I was right. Yeah. So I would say I'm here finished. If you want this exclusive special Bitcoin analyze, then you can below is a link. You can write me there, then you can get this special Bitcoin analysis from my side. Yes, I would say see you later. And if you have questions, you can write me. Have a nice day.